Welcome to one and all. I am Vasanta, Department of Computer Science, Gopalswamy PU College, Mysore. Today we are going to continue the previous session, whereas in the previous section we explained how to write the circuit diagram as well as how to prove NAND as well as NOR, or call it as universal gate. Regarding that we explained. Today we are going to explain design rule for NAND to NAND logic network. Question write the circuit diagram by using NAND symbol only, or by using NOR symbol only. In the exam if they ask, then how to write that? How to write the circuit diagram by using only NAND or by using only NOR symbol, where we get the result as it is same previous only, that we are going to explain now. Whereas design rule for NAND to NAND, here compulsory you have to use all the symbols NAND only. If I want to write only NAND, then some rules and regulations I have to follow. The first rule is check whether the given expression is in the format of sum of product form. Check the given expression. In the question, if they are not given in sum of product form, convert that in the format of sum of product form. Then next write down the same expression by using basic circuits, that means AND or NOT. By using that circuits, write on the circuit diagram. Then finally replace all the basic gates by using NAND symbol only. By using NAND symbol only. First thing, check whether the given expression is in the format of sum of product. Then write down the circuit diagram by using basic gates. Then finally replace all the basic gates by using NAND symbol only. Which is the NAND symbol we are using? D shape we are writing A and B. Then here at the end circle. What is the output? A dot B whole bar. This is the output we get, is it? No. Now I am going to explain with an example. Consider an example X, Y, Z bar plus X bar Z. Consider this the expression we have. How to write the circuit diagram? Now check. Sum of product format idea. It is in the format of sum. Plus andre sum. Any variable in the illa andre it is nothing but product. Is it? No, it is in the format of sum of product form. In the question itself, we are given in the form of sum of product. For example, if you have A dot BC plus BD, for example, consider this the expression. Then it is in the format of product of some format. Then what we have to do? Then ABC plus ABD. Like that, we have to convert in the format of sum of product. Whereas here, product of some format we have. That we have to check whether the given expression is in the format of sum of product form. First step, it is satisfied. Then what is the second step? Write in the circuit diagram by using all the basic gates. Here we have X, Y and Z bar. Take X, Y and then Z. Write down X, Y, but here we require Z bar. It is nothing but negation. Then negate here, not operation. All these things are connected with the dot operator. Then D shape here you have to write. Okay, first part we have completed, that is X, Y, Z. Here it is Z bar. What is the output here we get? X, Y, Z bar is the output. Take on the second part. X and Z are the variables, but we required in the format of X bar. Then negate it. Here it is X bar. Then next Z. These two are connected with the dot operator. Then D shape only have to write. Then these are combined with plus operator. Plus and takshana in your mind you have to keep that in the format of reverse C shape. Then here reverse C shape you have to write. Then what is the output here? X, Y, Z bar plus, here the output is X bar and Z. X bar Z, this is the output. Second step we are written, that is we are write the circuit diagram by using all the basic gates. Then third step, just replace all the basic gates by using NAND gate. How to write that? Same pattern, take down X, Y and then Z. X as it is, Y as it is, but Z bar we required. But here which is the symbol we have to use? NAND symbol. For NAND minimum 2 input we required, that's why make two input here. NAND shape, that is a D shape, at the end one circle. Here Z is the input, output is Z bar here. Then all this thing here we have written D shape, but here which is the symbol it use? NAND symbol. Then write down D shape, at the end circle and then one line. So it is the second part. X and Z we have, but here in the case X bar we required. Then NAND symbol only here you have to write. Here it is X bar. Then Z. But which is the shape you have to use? NAND shape. NAND shape. Then at the end circle and then one line. All this thing here it is connected with OR operator. Reverse C shape. But here what I have to use? Here but I have to use NAND symbol only. How to check it is correct or wrong? See the first equation output X, Y, Z bar. Here we have circle then whole bar. Here also X bar and Z whole bar. These are the output for the first as well as second. For this one X, Y, Z bar whole bar. D shape we have, that's why here dot. Then here X bar, Z whole bar, one part. Here negation is there. Once again the entire thing. Once again the entire thing you have to put whole bar. Now apply De Morgan's theorem. X, Y, Z bar, double bar. It will replace dot by plus. Now X bar, Z whole double bar. Now this double bar will cancel by using involution law. Then the final output become X, Y, Z bar plus X bar Z. X bar Z. See, as it is, how in the equation we are given, in the same pattern we will get. It means that by using only NAND gate I can write the circuit diagram. For that you have to convert the given expression in the format of sum of product form. Then next step you have to write the expression with the help of basic gates. Then third step, replace all the basic gates by NAND symbol. Now is it clear? Example enadro, write the circuit diagram by using NAND gate only. Then you have to follow this rule. Now is it clear? Next I am going to explain how to prove or how to write the circuit diagram for NOR to NOR or by using only NOR. That I am going to explain you now. See, just a minute. Whereas in the previous case, NAND to NAND we explained. Now, NOR to NOR. NOR to NOR. In the question, if they ask, write the circuit diagram only by using NOR symbol, then how to write, how to prove that? That we are going to explain with an example. First step, it has to be in the format of product of sum format. Then next, you have to write the expression by using basic gates. Then replace all the basic gates by NOR symbol. Consider with an example problem. X plus Y, Y plus Z, Z plus X. Consider an expression. Then how to write the circuit diagram by using only NOR symbol, that I am going to explain. First step. What is the first step? Check whether the given expression in product of sum format. See, if you don't have any way of operator here, dot operator we used to write. That is nothing but product. It is a product of sum. Expression is satisfied. First step is correct. Then what is the second step? Write on the circuit diagram by using basic gates. See, first X and one more is Y. Basic gates. Here plus operator we have. Then reverse C shape we have to write. Next one Y and Z. Plus operator, reverse C shape we have to write. Next Z plus X. Once again here also we have to write reverse C shape. But all these things are combined with product operator. Then all these things are combined with a D shape. Because if you have dot operator, then you have to write a D shape here. Connect all this with a D shape. See the output. What is the output here? X plus Y. First part. Second part. Here the output is Y plus Z. Whereas here Z plus X. Once it is passed from this symbol, then what is the output? X plus y. Here D shape we have, that's why dot y plus z, and the last one is z plus x. Second part we have completed. We have just written all the expression with the basic symbols. What's the third step? Replace all the basic gates by using NOR symbol. For NOR, which is the symbol we are using? Compulsory minimum 2 inputs we required. Here reverse C shape. Here NOR symbol means reverse C shape. But at the end you have to put one circle and then line. What is the output? A plus B whole bar. This is the output for NOR symbol. Now how to write the circuit? How to find out? See, first part we will take X and one more is Y. But here NOR symbol only I have to use. Reverse C shape, at the end circle and then one line. What is the output here? X plus Y whole bar, because here we have circle. Then take the second part, that is Y plus Z. Here also NOR symbol only I am writing, at the end circle and then line. Then what is the output? Y plus Z whole bar. Y plus Z whole bar. Then take on the last part, Z and X, Z and then X. Take down this reverse C shape, then negate here. Output is Z plus X whole bar. Now replace the remaining all the things, this AND gate with NOR gate symbol. Connect all these things with the NOR symbol. Here once again NOR symbol we have to use. Now what is the output here we are getting? X plus Y whole bar. But here we have reverse C shape, that's why. Here you have to write dot or plus operator. Here you have to write plus operator. Second part, Y plus Z whole bar plus last part, Z plus X whole bar. Here negation is there, entire thing bar. Apply De Morgan's theorem once again. X plus Y, first bar as usual in the question, one more bar by applying De Morgan's theorem. Here it is replaced plus by dot, then Y plus Z double bar dot, Z plus X double bar. Now this double bar will cancel by using involution law. Then the final expression become X plus Y dot Y plus Z dot Z plus X. As it is in the question how we are given in the same pattern, we get the final result. It means that by using only NOR gate I can able to write the circuit diagram. By using only NAND gate also I can able to write the circuit diagram. But the main thing is you have to follow this rule. Whereas for NOR to NOR, product of sum. But for NAND to NAND, there is reverse of that, sum of product we will get. Then basic gates, first write down the expression by using basic gates, then just replace by using NOR or NAND, whichever question in the question pattern they given, on that pattern you have to replace. Now is it clear? This completes your logic gate chapter. Thank you for all of you. Next class we will meet with a new chapter. Thank you one and all.